Hi class, this video is to help with that topic 2 homework number 18. All right, so in this problem, you are going to be given a piece of information and a rate. So you'll have actually two pieces of information. One will be a fixed value, one will be a rate. The goal is to get both of your pieces of information in similar units and then put them together to get to your final answer. All right, so in our problem, we have the dose of a drug is critical. Too small a dose may not treat a patient effectively, while too much can cause serious side effects. A nurse must give a patient 30 milligrams of a drug for each kilogram of the patient's mass. If a patient weighs 132 pounds, how many milligrams of the drug should be given? 1 kilogram equals 2.2 pounds, and do not round any computations. Okay, so let's pull out our key information here. We have 30 milligrams of a drug for each kilogram of the patient's mass. That is acting like a rate. We want to think of that as we have 30 milligrams per 1 kilogram. 30 milligrams per 1 kilogram. We're thinking about that like a rate. If a patient weighs 132 pounds, so we know the weight of our patient is 132 pounds. And then the last bit of information we have here is we have a unit conversion. 1 kilogram equals 2.2 pounds. And then we need to get a final answer in milligrams. Okay, so first thing we need to do here is we need to convert our information into similar units. We have the weight of the patient in pounds, and we have the rate of the drug we have to give based on the weight as 30 milligrams per kilogram. The kilogram and the pounds are not in similar units. The kilogram and the pound are both measuring the weight of the patient, so we need both of those to be in the same unit. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the 132 pounds and convert that to kilograms. I recommend taking the value that's not in the rate and converting that. So I recommend converting the pounds to kilograms to match the rate instead of taking the 30 milligrams per kilogram and try to convert that to 30 milligrams per pound. I recommend taking the one that's not your rate and convert that one. Okay, so the first step we're doing here is converting 132 pounds to kilograms. We need to use the conversion factor that was provided. 1 kilogram equals 2.2 pounds. When we do our conversion, we are building fractions to cancel out our units. So what we're doing here is we are going to multiply 132 pounds by a fraction that will cancel out the pounds and leave us with kilograms. Units on opposite sides of the fraction bar cancel out. So if I want to cancel pounds, I need another pounds to be on the bottom of my fraction. This 132 pounds, it is sitting in that numerator. So you think of it like it has a 1 underneath. So the pounds is on the top of the first fraction. So I need to put it on the bottom of the second one, and then these are going to cancel out. Since the conversion factor told you 1 kilogram equals 2.2 pounds, I'm going to put kilograms on top because that was the other side of the conversion factor. That is also what we want our goal units to be for the weight of the patient. So that's good too. So we are getting to kilograms. Kilograms is not canceling out because there's no kilograms in the denominator anywhere. So we're going to have kilograms as our final answer for the weight of the patient. After we line up the units so the pounds are canceling, we're going to match the numbers from the conversion factor. 1 kilogram, so I'm going to put the 1 with the kilogram, and then 2.2 pounds, so the 2.2 and the denominator with the pounds. So that means to convert the 132 pounds to kilograms, I need to take the 132 times 1 over 2.2. So when you do this, you should get 60. So the weight of our patient in kilograms is 60. So this is our new weight matching the units of our rate. So now we need to answer the final question. The final question is how many milligrams should we give this patient? We know they need 30 milligrams per kilogram. There's 60 kilograms. So what we want to do here is we want to take the 30 milligrams per kilogram, multiply that by the weight of the patient in kilograms, and that will give us our final answer in milligrams. Because what's going to happen here is these kilograms are going to cancel each other out. And then you're going to be left with only that milligrams. So to do the final calculation, you'll take the 30 times the 60, and you should get 1,800 milligrams. And then that is your final answer. So your final answer here would be 1,800 milligrams. All right, I hope this helps. Let me know if you have any questions.